Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 7.4 question number 4. Look at the figures and write is less than or is greater than or is equal to between the given pairs of fractions. First of all, we will look at the figures. Here you see the figure is it is 0 by 1, it is 1 by 1, right? It is 0 by 2, this is 1 by 2, this is 2 by 2, right? This is 0 by 3, 1 by 3, 2 by 3, 3 by 3. 3 by 3 means 1. 0 by 4, 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4. 0 by 5, 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 4 by 5, 5 by 5. 0 by 6, 1 by 6, 2 by 6, 3 by 6, 4 by 6, 5 by 6 and 6 by 6. Now here you see, if we compare whether 1 by 6 or 1 by 3, which one is greater? You see, if we set the part of 1 by 6, this part, then what we are finding you see. That means if we set this one, if we set this part, it is 1 by 6. 1 by 6 means from here to here. If we set this one, this part is 1 by 6. And 1 by 3, you find this is 1 by 3. Right, this 1 by 3. That means from here in the figure you can say that 1 by 3 is greater than 1 by 6. Right, that is 1 by 6 is less than 1 by 3. Right, next question are B. 3 by 4 and 2 by 6. Where is 3 by 4? 3 by 4, you see this one. This one is 3 by 4. 3 by 4. That means if we 3 by 4 is up to here, that means if we set this one, this part and also this part up to here, it is 3 by 4, right? 3 by 4 and the number is 3 by 4, 2 by 6. 2 by 6 is 2 by 6, 2 by 6 is not given. Anyway, if we compare this one, that is one is 3 by 4, another is 2 by 6. Then you have to make the denominator same to find which one is greater or which one is less. 2 by 6 means 1 by 3, right? 2 by 6. What is the value of 2 by 6? 2 by 6. The value of 2 by 6 is, if we change into lowest term, we are getting 2 by 6, 2 by 6. That means 2 1 is 2, 2 3 is 6. The value is 1 by 3. Right? The value is 1 by 3. Now, if we write here, that is 1 by 3. 1 by 3 is this part, right? Here 1 by 3 is from here to here, and if we that is 1 2 by 6 and 3 by 4. 3 by 4 is this one. That means 3 by 4 is greater than 1 by 3, right? 3 by 4 means this part from here to here, and 1 by 3 from here to here. That means this part is greater than this part, right? Therefore, you can say that 3 by 4 is greater than 2 by 6. 2 by 6 means 1 by 3, right? And 3 by 4 is greater than 2 by 6. Now, this question 2 by 3 and 2 by 4, right? Here you see the numerator is same. If the numerator is same, then the number in the denominator which is less, that is greater, right? That means this one. Let us take the figures also. 2 by 3 means up to here. 2 by 3 means this one up to here. From here to here, that is 2 by 3. You are setting this one, that is up to here, it is 2 by 3. That is from here to here, it is 2 by 3. And where is 2 by 4? 2 by 4. What is the value of 2 by 4? If we find the value of 2 by 4, 2 by 4, then you get 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4, 2 2 is 2, 2 2 is 4. That is half, right? Half is here. If we draw this one, if I set this one, that is 1 by 2. After here 1 by 2, right? 1 by 2, and this is 2 by 3. 2 by 3 is this, right? That is 2 by 3 is greater than 1 by 2, right? 2 by 3 means this one. Therefore, 2 by 3 is greater than 2 by 3 is greater than 1 by 2, right? 2 by 3 is greater, right? 2 by 3 is greater. In another way, you can say that if the numerator is same, the number which is less, that will be greater. That the number which is less in the denominator will be greater than that other number, right? Other fraction, right? Now next question number D. 6 by 6 and 3 by 3. What is the value of 6 by 6? If I find the value of 6 by 6, what you will find? C. 6 by 6. 6 by 6 is 6 by 6. If we change into lowest term, that is 6 1 just 6 and 6 1 just 6. That is the value is 1, right? And what is the value of 3 by 3? 3 by 3. That is 3 1 just 3. 3 1 just 3. 1 by 1, that is equal to 1. That is both are same. Both are 1. Then we can say it as equal to. Therefore it will be equal to, right? It will be equal to. Right now 5 by 6 and 5 by 5, 5 by 6 and 5 by 5. Here you see also the numerator is same, right? If the numerator is same, the number in the denominator which is less, that will be greater. That means 5 by 6 is less than 5 by 5. Or from the figure you can say that 5 by 6, 5 by 6 is this part, 5 by 6 is this part up to here, 5 by 6. This is 5 by 6. From here to here is 5 by 6. If I take 5 by 5, that is from here to here, that means this one is greater, right? That means 5 by 5, that is equal to 1, is greater than 5 by 6, right? Make 5 more such problems and solve them with your friends. So you can find any more problems and find it of yourself, right? This is the solution of exercise 7.4.